沙巴环滩岛沉船事件的失踪者搜寻工作今天进入第5天，目前当局仍在搜寻6名失踪者的下落，搜寻范围也将扩大至3900平方海里，范围涵盖沙巴、汶莱及沙拉越海域。另外，沙巴亚庇市长杨文海今天也带领执法人员前往中国游客非法登船的码头进行视察，以及拆除一些非法建设的登岸梯级和木板凳。
The jetty cement is built by the BKK for the usage of the kampong people,
Okay.
for their boats and for the fishermen. It's not meant for It's not meant for tourists to board or disembark.
So
It is dangerous. It's not designed for the use of tourists. I hope tourist operator will take note of it.